Oh shit, this is already recording. Fuck, I didn't know. Welcome back. We're back at the same spot. I felt like I found my favorite spot to record at now. Aside from the noise, I just like the background. It's just kind of cool, like on a rooftop type vibes. But that's just gonna fade away. Doesn't do this for too long. I've been here. But yeah, man. I don't know. Like, I don't know how to feel right now, bro, because I saw price play out on Monday, and I back tested this, like I said in yesterday's video or the day before, and I saw how it entered, and now it's like I'm doing it in real time for testing, and this shit's still playing out, bro. Okay, to be fair, this morning I lost, but I lost because I got in too early. If that makes sense. I got in way too early. First prediction was wrong. I thought it was gonna sell off, but price actually wants to buy. So I admit I was wrong there, and then I entered buys like around New York's London session. I was wrong when I entered in the beginning, like around 7 a.m. before I came to work. Got stopped up before I even left the house. Price didn't want to sell. Okay, let me just wait for session. Session came. I didn't blow all the profits I made. I lost some of it, but maybe most of it, but like just over half of it. But then I entered again, and price wanted to buy, but then I guess I entered too early. So now I waited. I'm like, okay, let me wait for this candle. And then it's like, okay, my psychology kind of didn't know how to handle this, because it's like, okay, I'm winning now, and I don't know how to stop trading. But it's like, okay, I want to test this theory out. And price ultimately bought. I think I just got in too early. My idea was not wrong. My idea was just too early. And I'm like, okay, there's no way. Like, there's no way that this shit is actually that easy, if that makes sense. I know science says like trading is easy. It's not as hard as people make it out to be. But it's like, bro, it cannot be that easy, bro. I'm not gonna fuck it up by say, it's too easy, I'm complicated. No, don't get me wrong. But it's like, bruh, like, it clicked. Like this morning when I entered last night, and then I'm like, okay, let me go to bed, set my TP here. It should hit this level, bro. Okay, open trading view. It didn't. I guess German data didn't open at that time on trading view. But then when I opened my MT5, bruh, price shut the bed and it just ran through my TP. I'm like, nah. And then when I scroll to UK 100, it was already moving. I see where I would have entered as well. It's like, damn, and it shut the bed as well. I'm like, nah, bro. I don't understand, bro. I understand, but I don't understand at the same time. And it's like, what? Nah, dog. I don't know. Like, I was so numb when I woke up like around 3 a.m. I couldn't sleep for till 4 o'clock. I just prayed, dog. I just prayed, and thank God. I asked him to lead me, help me align my goals with my actions, and I just prayed, bro. It's like, is this really the missing? Is this like the final thing? Is this like the final boss that I had to defeat and just master? And I don't know. I might be getting ahead of myself, but it feels like, bro, like there's no ways that this what I know now, it cannot be true. It cannot be true, bruh. Because it's like, what? Nah, bro. Like, this is too dangerous. I feel like I ultimately got the cheat codes to GTA, bro. I ultimately feel that way. I feel like I got the cheat codes to GTA, and I have it down by muscle memory. I know what the inputs are, because before I was learning the inputs. Now I know what the inputs are. Now it's all about getting the timing right, which I don't think that will take long, because if I know the steps, then the timing won't be a problem. As long as the accuracy, the precision is there, then the timing will be perfect. I'm not rushing anything, and I'm just waiting. I don't understand, bro. Like this morning, like work today just felt different. The way I see things now just feels different. And it's like, damn, this is what I've been working all these months for. It's like there's no ways, bro. There's ultimately no ways. I don't know how to feel. I'm grateful. Don't get me wrong. I'm happy, but I'm also like trying to ground myself and be like, okay, God just blessed you with one of the best things ever. You put down the work, you stayed down, you stayed curious, you stayed disciplined, you stayed hungry. And then he just blessed me with this. It's like, there you go. You have proven to me that you are worthy of this skill. Now there you go. And I don't know, man. I'm looking at these cars. I'm like, you know what? This could be my car soon. Even if it's just this Bantam, yeah, just a simple car. There's the sound that stopped now. It could be any of these cars, bro. And it's like, I don't know. It feels like this is what I've been waiting for. Yo, I don't know how to feel, man. Like, I'm just so grateful, and it's like, okay, now all the goals that I have in mind are within reach, bro. I mean, they've always been in reach, but now it's like, okay, now it's dead ass time. Now you're really ready for the big league now. And I don't know, man. It's just crazy. Like, I'm gonna still forward test. I'm still gonna learn to wait and execute at the right time, because I know what candles to look out for. I know what to look out for. Indication. I still use ICC, bro, but I feel like I'm adding my own personal flair now, because I've always wondered, how do people add their flares? And this is what I found that works for me. And I have to wait, because I gotta wait for these hour candles to print. I think this is security guards coming here to tell me to get out of here. But anyway, I'm gonna break down the trade that I took yesterday and the trades that I took today, and then yeah, I'll see y'all at the spot. And then yeah, she's definitely coming here. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get home. Yo, welcome back. Yeah, that lady at that spot kicked me out, bro. She's like, "Do you work here?" I'm like, "Yeah." She's like, "Well, you can't be here." It's like, "Okay, lady, I'll just leave." She's like, "Yeah, just get out this place. It's a roof." I'm like, "Yo, you gotta be rude, bro. Damn, I wasn't even hurting anybody. I was just recording myself. Just harmless shit, bro." But yeah, man. Like, it's. I actually got my food here. Sorry, I just want to take a bite. My brother made this spaghetti. Tastes so good. Anyway, yeah, man. Like, ultimately, I think let me just break down the trade, and then y'all will. I don't know. Yeah, I'll rant to you guys afterwards. Anyway, so there was a trade I took. No. Why are you showing me yesterday? I don't trade those pairs anymore, bro. I know I keep going back and forth, but I'm kind of done with German 30 at this point, bro. Because wow, like that shit is just too political at this point. So yesterday I had this trade. TP was there, right? A nice 1-3, almost 1-4, almost basically. So yesterday I saw price obviously indicated below this level of buys, then push back up, then this kind of close rate. I'm like, okay, price is done correcting now. Let me enter. entered off for this red candle, and I always enter for the 1 hour. At this point, like now, I feel like I only enter based off the 1 hour. I set my stop loss above the higher low on the 1 hour. If the higher low is too high and it's too much of a risk, then I scale to the 15-minute and then look for a higher low on there and then set my stop loss there. So I entered the trade. I went to bed, like I saw this pushing down, then price closed with this blue candle. So I'm like, damn, what if price is getting ready to reverse? I'm probably gonna get stopped out. But you know, at the end of the day, I'm trusting my system. I see it, I saw it the other day, I'm seeing it again today. Let me just see. And it worked. Like ultimately, like I said, I woke up in the morning, trading view was still blank. MT5 TP was hit. I was up, my position was closed. I was like, damn, shit, that is fucking insane. Then come session, price is pushing up, right? So this candle closed here. I'm like, okay, maybe price doesn't want to continue pushing up. Then I entered. Then I got stopped out. I'm like, shit, okay, this was like at 7 o'clock. I was getting ready to go to work. I'm like, okay, let me just see. Let me wait for session. So waited for session. Session came. Price pushed down. Then I'm like, okay, let me sell. Sold for a bit. Then ultimately, then it spiked to the upside. Then I got stopped out. I'm like, you know what? Let me just wait. You know. Then price started pushing down. I'm like, oh, you know what? Price actually wants to move up because it's giving us a new low, a new high, a new low actually, yeah, because this was the low we had, but it closed off with this, so meaning it does not want to go further down. It already tapped that level of buyers. Now it's getting ready to bounce back up, right? And then look what it did. Ended up rallying ultimately. I think this thing is getting slow. Let me just close tabs because yeah, I just want to free up some space. Anyway, and my laptop is fanning now, but I didn't enter for that trade. I entered off a UK 100. Same thing. Same freaking thing. Here's the level of sellers. Push down, indicated, push down, close blue, price pushed up. I wanted to get above this level. I entered. This was during session. Around 1 o'clock I entered the trade. And then it was pushing down. I was in drawdown for a bit. Put my stop loss here. Boom. Price just started rallying. Waited for that candle closure. I could have actually entered off of this, but I think I just didn't see it at the time. And I wanted it to kind of really play in my rules and push and close above this level. But since I saw it was already above that level, I'm like, you know what, let me just enter since I was late. Because now this is my second entry. I could have gotten the entry here because price already gave us that higher low here. Same thing, I tried selling off price here, but it stopped me out because it pushed up. I'm like, okay, price clearly does not want to move down because it gave us a new higher low here. I'm like, okay, fine. There's sellers here, let it push up. Pushed up, went down, and then just started rallying the whole day. I ultimately closed when I got home. My brother's like, hey dog, just close. Take what the market's giving you. I'm like, you know what? Let me just close. And I closed. And that was a trade, bro. Like, simple. Like, I can't explain it. Like, just looking at price and just reading price and letting price tell me what it wants to do. Ultimately, bro, I've been like, I lost, yes, but I've been on a win streak, bro, this whole week. I don't know if it started last week Friday. Yeah, it started last week Friday. Like, my win streak just started. Like, I'm just winning now. Not that I built back my account. Remember, I was losing the whole week. I was like losing, bro. I'm like, damn, I just got this account and I'm already losing. It's like, damn, bro. But look, price is doing it, and now I'm reading it, and it's like, there's really nothing else to say. Now I'm $145 up on the week. I actually was I actually lost, but I made it all back. So I'm actually $15 up from the money from the win I took this morning, or that I took yesterday and won today. Because I remember Monday's trade made back all my losses and put me back at break even. Then yesterday pushed it up further. I was $132 up, and then I lost $70, and then is it 70? Yeah, there's $70, and then I made it back again. and then some. So that's where risk reward comes into play, bro. If you risk properly and don't over leverage, and I didn't understand this, but now I understand this. If you don't over leverage, then ultimately you're gonna win. But let me just jump off the charts here and then talk to you guys personally. So let me just actually stop the video here. Yeah, now we're back again. Better lighting. I promise end of the month I'm gonna get a ring light, so the lighting is much better. But for now, we'll just use what we have. So yeah, man. That's basically it. Like, I came home, told him that I think I've cracked it, bro. I think we cracked it, because I'm not only the one. I'm not gonna withhold information. I even told him, bro, like, just wait for Price to do these things, and then that's it. He's like, yeah, we patched it. Oh man, it's so funny. But yeah, man, like, I honestly didn't know how to feel, bro. Like, I honestly didn't know how to feel. It's like, how was it like right in front of me this whole time? And I knew the journey that I took was not for nothing. It was all by God's design. It was all by God's design, excuse me. Because He wanted me to learn the hard way, like, be confused, like, have that thing, like, wow, money, I can actually make money from this. And it's like, nah, I'm trying to figure out how to do it and do it consistently. Kept losing, bro. I was essentially gambling. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what I was doing, bro. And whoever's watching this and you still a beginner, bro, keep going, bro. Just stay hungry, bro. I remember I would go to work and still watch videos, bro. On the way to work in a taxi, I would watch videos and just learn. And I'll rewatch the ones that I watched the night before, where I took notes, just to make sure it's embedded in my head so I don't forget. I was so hungry. I would go to work right around my lunchtime. Even when I was working at the back, I'll just play the psychology videos in the background and just listen, and then visualize, like, yeah, I can do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna be able to reprice. I'm gonna be able to use this strategy. Okay, I don't use that strategy now, but I'm gonna know how to be a profitable and consistent trader. I'm not there yet, but I'm on the right path, bro. God put me on the right path. God put us on the right path. And yeah, I'm gonna edit this video. Or put it together. It's not really editing. Can you go to editing? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, man, I stuck to it. I stuck to it day and night. That shit, I was obsessed, bro. I did not know. Like, if I didn't know what obsession was, that was obsession, bro. I don't think I've ever been obsessed with anything, not even music, that much, bro. Because there'll be days where I just don't feel like doing it. But with this, dog, I'm super obsessed. I'm fucking hungry, bro. I got food behind me, but I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat that plate and still be hungry. But I'm still hungry. Oh, like, I was super duper hungry now, bro. Like, I would make sure I watch videos and just learned as much as I could, bro. Learn from this guy, that guy. And it's just like, bro, I'm confusing myself. What am I doing? I need to find one person. And I found TJ. And I learned that lock, bro. And he essentially kickstarted everything. How to reprice high lows and all that stuff. Auto blocks, but I don't use those things. And it's like, damn. I'm at this point now. And I stuck to it, bro. I'm still stuck to it. Bro, it's up and it's stuck. I'm fucking hungry, bro. And now it's like, no ways. You can't tell me it's that easy, dog. I mean, I'm grateful. Thank you, God, for blessing me with this beautiful skill. Thank you for bringing trading into my life at this time, because this was a time where I had no choice but to be hungry and be obsessed. I had no choice, bro, because I didn't know where my life was going out and time was running out. But now I'm here, talking to this camera, talking to you, talking to my future self. Bro, just stay locked in. I mean, I'm just grateful of the person that it made me, because I'm consistent with most areas of my life now. I get home, I record every day. I go to work, I record every day. I document every day. I journal. I don't think I journal to say it straight. I need to journal it. But yeah, I journal, bro. I'm probably like 54, 55 trades in now. And the 50th one's where like, shit really started. Now shit's like ramping up now. The next 50 is like, okay, now the first half will be, we were all over the place. We were slowly catching strides there. But now it's like, boom. Now, second half, we on now. We had that halftime, locker room, whatever the case is, we locked in. Now we're focused, bro. Now we're super focused. Now we know what we went wrong in the first half. Now the second half, bro, it's over now. Like the opposite team, which is the me that was impatient and stuff. It's on now. You were winning first half, no lie. Now it's my turn. Not only like no wonder I support Man United. Comeback kings, bro. The comeback is better than the setback. Every time. It's personal, spiritual. Hey man, it's everything. And I just stuck to it, dog. I legit just stuck to it. How long is this video? 20 minutes. This is gonna be a slightly longer video. But yeah, man. Like I said, I still can't believe it. Like I still can't believe it. Like a light bulb just. I was like, no ways. And people will be like, ah, dog, it worked with 2 trades. What do you mean? But it's like, it's not just the 2 trades, bro. It's like everything that accumulated up until that point for me to be able to be like, oh, this is how you properly reprice. This is how you do it. Because I've been seeing it. I'm like, okay, high, low, high, high. All that low lows, lower highs, fine. Break the structure, fine. Wait for the continuation. Wait for the correction, then continuation. Bro, Sai, if you ever get a chance to see this, bro, thank you, man. Because you're ultimately the one, you're the game changer, bro. TJ, you also changed everything. Thank you. But Sai just took everything and simplified it, and nigga made 100 million, bro. Bro, moving like a hedge fund. Dog, I'm just grateful that I'm here now. Didn't quit. Stayed disciplined, stayed hungry, stayed obsessed. And now it's like, okay, I could have held this trade essentially, but I'm like, no, let me just close. Let me just chill. Let me just relax. It's 2-3 big wins, and I don't need to be greedy. And that's the side that I need to fix, because now I'm obviously it's gonna get to a point where I'm winning, and I want to get greedy. I want to make more, whereas I just need to learn, just step back, because I was losing. Yes, I was consistently losing and over trading, and I fixed that. Now I need to fix the part where I'm winning now. Now the ego's like, yeah, I can do anything. I need to remain humble. I need to remain humble. So thank you, God, for blessing me with this beautiful skill. Thank you for bringing it into my life and my brother's life. I know we're gonna change our bro. I know we're gonna change our lives. It's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time. Anyway, God bless.